Greetings, gamers. Bearcat Gamer here. Welcome back to Bearcat Broadcast. I kind of realized that in last week's video I forgot to actually show off the product, but good news is I actually got another package. So let's go ahead and open that up. In this package I got two different tubs. I have Japanese soda flavored, which I'm most looking forward to trying. And I also have Big Energy Tears, which was, as you may recall, was one of the three flavors that I got. I'll definitely be trying both of those at a later time. I still haven't cracked open into my sample pack of Big Energy Tears, but I do want to show off the samples from last week. So, over here, I have the watermelon lemonade, which is recommended to have 12 to 16 ounces of fluid water. You can go up to 16 on everything, you can go up to 20, but for this I would recommend no less than 12. Let's go ahead and give this a try. You can already smell it has a strong lemonade scent to it. Now, given that this is the hydration, it doesn't really have a whole lot of color change to it. As you can see, it pretty much looks like carbonated water at this point. But now for the taste test. Wow. So, as I said, whenever I poured it into the water, you could definitely smell the lemonade. But whenever it hits your taste buds, you definitely taste the watermelon. Now, for this one, the first energy I'm going to be trying of the 3 packs would be the Cali Cream, which is like an orange and cream flavored. Weirdly enough, it smells like coffee. Nice orange, vibrant flavor, scent or color. Nice, vibrant orange color. This one has a little bit more color than the last one, but still not a whole lot. It's a bit foamier than the... Oh, that's a little foamy. Let's give this one a taste test. Oh, that was really good too. Definitely recommend both of those. Has an orange burst of flavor followed by a creamy aftertaste. But definitely thank you for tuning all in. My poll is still running if anyone's still interested in putting their input. Thanks again. This is Bearcat Gamer, signing out.